honestly don't know. It's weird. It's very strange. It's something like I mentioned, along with the innings, it's something I never thought I'd do. So it's a nice place to be. I think I'm probably just becoming a target for guys in the changing room to, take down. The 100 I scored is considered a slow one in our changing room. Guys talk about it all the time. So, yeah, tough skill. Yeah, never have I ever thought that I could play a knock like that. I'm delighted that I have. I think coming in at the time where it was a 50-50 shout, whether myself or Joss went in, probably helped that, because after I faced a few balls, I had no choice. I had to start taking risks because of him coming in next. And then after I got dropped, it was a matter of just keep going. But yeah, one of those days.
And sitting top of the table after that, nice boost for the guys?
I think it is. I think certainly going into Friday's game against Sri Lanka, another game where if we can produce the level of intensity which we operated at today, I think it'll leave us in a really good place. I know we made some mistakes today, but I thought the level which we operated at, you can't fault.